My baby. How are you, my baby boy? I know you're waiting for your food. You're just fit in the chair. Look at you. You like the chair? Hello, baby. You want something? Hey, baby. Hello, baby boy. Hello, baby boy. Hello, my baby boy. Hello. How are you today? You want to go dancing? Hello, baby boy. Huh? How are you doing, baby boy?